This is Paul. Ooh, wrong Paul. This is Paul, the one who has been with the same company for 10 years. He knows how everything works, or at least, he used to. The company just rolled out SAP S/4HANA, a major step forward. New navigation, new data structures, and AI becoming the new user interface. Instead of just clicking through transactions, Paul's being asked to interact with AI agents, automation, and recommendations he doesn't fully understand. Now he feels slow, and he's expected to keep delivering. The outcome? Slower execution and unrealized SAP value. Here's the thing nobody told Paul. SAP S/4HANA isn't just a new ERP. It's a platform built for smarter decisions, faster processes, and real-time insights across the entire business. And now with AI embedded into business processes, the system can do more than execute. It can suggest, predict, and even act. The system creating friction for Paul? It's also the one designed to eliminate it. The potential is there. It's just not being realized. Paul's leadership tries something different. Not another deck. Not another manual. But ERPsim, a live, competitive business simulation running on SAP S/4HANA. Paul's team runs a simulated company, buying and selling products, setting prices, managing inventory, forecasting demand, interacting with GenAI chat, and interpreting AI agents' recommendations, all inside the actual system. Real SAP data, real decisions, real consequences, just without the real risk. Paul doesn't just adjust his pricing strategy, he evaluates an AI suggestion and sees the impact instantly. He didn't expect that. He starts to understand where AI could add value in his organization. Paula in finance watches the P&L update in real time. And for the first time she understands where those numbers actually come from. For the first time everything connects. The system isn't abstract anymore. It's alive. Nobody retrained Paul. Nobody gave him a new manual. He just finally got to experience the system, not read about it. And that changes everything. When people understand a system, they use it well. When they feel good about it, they champion it. What started as friction becomes fluency. Frustration becomes confidence. Uncertainty around AI becomes curiosity and capability. And resistance becomes momentum. Paul still works at the same company, but a completely different relationship with the system. That's what one simulation did. Imagine what ERPsim can do at scale. Paul's story doesn't have to be the exception. Organizations are entering a new era, where systems don't just support decisions, but they help make them. ERPsim prepares teams for that shift by helping participants learn how to collaborate with AI, understand where it adds value, and confidently apply it in real business scenarios. ERPsim fits across the entire SAP customer lifecycle from first exposure to real adoption. It builds teams who can work in SAP, identify AI use cases, and bring those ideas back into their own organization. Building teams that don't just use the system but believe in it and leverage it. Ready to build your coalition of champions? Learn how ERPsim helps teams realize SAP value faster. Contact us for more information.